I remember in COVID, the Bishop used to cook for us.
Are you sure?
That's
Which
very
type of food now?
He likes to prepare fish.
Yeah. And he knows how to do it deliciously.
Oh my God, he said for him, he knows how to prepare fish and pork. He said for him, he knows how to prepare it very well. I used to have those videos, and he would mix it very well.
Surely.
And spice
black
it.
pepper.
And when
green
when it's
pepper.
him in the kitchen, all the dishes are going to be used.
Yes, just now.
All the dishes from this one to this one. So it's the reason why I chase him from the kitchen, because by the end of the day, there's no dish that will remain clean. They sick, and for him it doesn't wash. He prepares for it. But amazing.
He has done the preparation.
Amazing. It is so tasty.
Wow.
His fish, me, I don't like fish. He loves fish. I'm not a fish eater. But the fish he would prepare, I would like it. Very delicious.
Oh, Bishop can be preparing fish in the house. Otherwise, someone may learn to eat fish.
Very
But
delicious.
as we come to
So
the
we
end
can
of
do all
Bishop.
those things for our marriages, and it's good for our marriage.